guys, my name is Samuel and I will be teaching you how to spice up your 7 on the key of C. On the key of C, you've got your C, your C major scale is basically your C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So the B is the 7. So just count it like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you're playing the C major scale, but using the number system, you're going to be playing it this way. 1, 2, you count it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the 7 is B in the key of C. And it also substitutes for your 5. So let's say we have a song. Let's say the song. Remember, I'm utilizing my sus 2 and sus 4. So you are the pillar that owns my life. You are the 1, 4, 5. So let's substitute that 5 for the 1, for the 7. So you are, let's go. You are the pillar that owns my life. Ooh. You are the pillar that owns my life. You are the pillar that owns my life. You see, we are substituting that 5 for the 7. Now, if we want to add some spice to this, we're going to, on that 7, on our right hand, we'll be doing some licks to lead into that 7. So this goes this way. So that's what we will play on our 7. So pra ra 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 ra, pra pra pra. I hope you see that. So and on our right hand, we'll be playing a quarter chord. A quarter chord refers to like a set of chords or a set of notes that are separated in fourths. So, for example, now what I played here, the D is a fourth away from do, re, mi, fa. And from here, do, re, mi, fa. We can keep going. Do, re, mi, fa. And then do, re, mi, fa. Ooh, can you see that chord? So let's say now, I want to play this for the 7, so that we. So, you are the pillar that owns my life. So, but what we're going to be playing is just 3-note chord. So, on your 7, you'll be playing A, D, and G. While on your left hand, you will do this movement. So let's apply it in a song, right? Let's apply this. Let's apply this. A song. We give you all Okay, let's use a simple one. Let's use a simple song. You are in, moving in our midst. Now here, I worship you. Here, we're going to use it now. So listen, you are here, moving in our midst. I worship you. You are here, changing every life. I worship you. They make miracle work, light in the darkness, my God, light in you too. Da 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 da. So basically we are doing that is who you are. So 4, Rainmaker to the 1. Now 7. That is who you are. So, I hope you understand what was going on there. We did this. So, for the 7, spicing up your 7. I hope this helped. Let's use another song to spice it up. Let's say we have this song. On the key of C. I have come to worship you. I have come. Now we are using it. I have come to give you worship, great and mighty God. You have done it again. You have done it again. Then sings my soul, my Savior God to thee. You see, every time I go to the 7, I do that. I hope this helps. This is on the key of C, spicing up your 7. Don't forget to, if you like this content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next class.